हेलो बच्चों। प्रॉब्लम कहता है let f r to r be a function and we say that f has property 1 if limit s tending to 0 fh minus f0 divided by root of mod h exists and is finite, and property 2 if limit s tending to 0 fh minus f0 upon h square exists and is finite, then which of the following options is or are correct? देखिए, एक फंक्शन के बारे में कहा गया है हमसे दैट फंक्शन का प्रॉपर्टी होगा अगर वो इस लिमिट को सेटिस्फाई करता है, और प्रॉपर्टी 2 होगा अगर इस लिमिट को सेटिस्फाई करता है, मींस ये लिमिट अगर एग्जिस्ट करे और फाइनाइट हो। तो चलिए पहला ऑप्शन चेक करते हैं इसमें हम। द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द फंक्शन इज x mod x एंड वी हैव टू चेक इट फॉर प्रॉपर्टी 2। सो वी हैव fx इक्वल टू x mod x और हमें प्रॉपर्टी 2 चेक करना है इसमें। सो अगर हम यहाँ पर लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इस फंक्शन का चेक करते हैं, so it will be limit h tending to 0 f of h will be, हमें h को रिप्लेस करना होगा 0 माइनस h से, so it will be minus h mod of minus h, value of the function is 0 and it is divided by minus h square, so it is limit h tending to 0, it is minus h square and divided by it is plus h square which is equal to minus 1, so the left hand limit is minus 1। अगर हम यहाँ पर राइट हैंड लिमिट चेक करते हैं then it is limit h tending to 0 replace x by 0 plus h, so we have h mod h minus the value of the function is 0 divided by h square, means it is limit h tending to 0 h square upon h square which is equal to 1, and now since LHL is not equal to RHL, so therefore fx equal to x mod x does not exist, does not have property 2। Now the second option is fx is x raised to power 2 by 3 and it has property 1। So second option is the function is x raised to power 2 by 3 और हमें चेक करना है इसका प्रॉपर्टी 3 के लिए, तो सॉरी प्रॉपर्टी 1 के लिए। So we have limit h tending to 0, it is fh minus f0 divided by square root of mod h, that is limit h tending to 0. Now fh is h raised to power 2 by 3 and it is divided by square root of mod h। इसे अगर हम सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं then we get h tending to 0 and it is h raised mod h raised to power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 which is equal to limit h tending to 0 and it is mod h raised to power 1 by 6 and the limit is 0। तो ये जो लिमिट है it is finite, so therefore fx equal to x raised to power 2 by 3 has property 1। So option 2 that fx x raised to power 2 by 3 has property 1 is the correct option। Now हमें चेक करना है sin x को property 2 के लिए। So the third option is the function fx is sin x और हमें चेक करना है प्रॉपर्टी 2 के लिए, so it is limit h tending to 0 fh minus f0 and divided by h square which is equal to limit h tending to 0 fh is sin h, it is 0, so it is divided by h and multiplied with 1 upon h and it does not exist। So therefore fx equal to sin x does not have property 2. And the fourth option is fx is mod x and it has property 1. So fourth option is fx equal to mod x. और अगर हमें इसे प्रॉपर्टी 1 के लिए चेक करना है, इट मीन्स हमें चेक करना है लिमिट h टेंडिंग टू 0 fh minus f of 0 divided by square root of mod h, which is equal to limit h tending to 0, and fh is mod of h and it is divided by square root of mod of h, means it is limit h tending to 0 square root of mod h, which is 0, finite number है. So therefore fx equal to mod x has property 1. So option 4 is also the correct option. So the final answer to this problem is that option 2 and 4 are the correct options. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.